Could you not turn off the light here? Dramáticamente menos. Sobre todo lo del techo no es. Muchas gracias. Mucho mejor. Louis thought that I should begin with something from here. In fact, the Caixa is the first project we could realize in the bridge, and certainly belongs to the very important project in our company. For many different reasons, we believe that the building has several layers, that each of them are, if you like, typical for our approach to architecture. I quickly go back to what was there before. I think that's very important to understand why we came to what is now. In the place where of the Caixa Forum is a very arid relic noise here, or here. It's a very arid, is at the border of the old city, and is a place, as you can see here, that was hidden by a garage, was cut away from the Paseo del Prado, and is a building that at first sight is not very interesting, but has a lot of charm and has a lot of beauty also. But unfortunately, we could not use the interior. It was far too small given the ambitious program of the client. But we loved the ladrillo, the brick, the Roman brick kind of material that was very centrally, very wonderful, and also the building was listed, not in a way that we had to keep everything, but we could not remove the building. So we had to find ways to keep it, but to change it, to transform it, so it can survive in a new form, in a form that is even enhancing the beauty of especially the materials of this old kind of old style Madrid brick building. We added a lot of space beyond and a lot of space on the top. That's why we believe that the cut that we introduced is also important, not only to provide new space, because the building came into a place which was not existing as a public space. It has the garage and it was surrounded by very narrow streets. So to cut it away and to lift the building up was an idea of to create new space that was not there before. And at the same time, it was like creating a facade to the lower ground and to the upper part to indicate or to instruct or to inform that there is more below and more above. The above, how do you put something on top without being ridiculous, without being monstrous? How can you deal with the existing roofs by introducing new forms? That was at one a possible approach. But then we shifted away from this and added these forms that have two advantages. First of them